So my Comfortaire pump was leaking. It was only leaking on one side, and they're pretty expensive to replace, so I decided to take it apart and see if I could figure out what was going on. There was several screws on the bottom. Once removed, take the cover off, and if you can see right in there, the one on the right has a bunch of, looks like hair and dust and stuff that the pump has picked up, stuck in the inlet. So let's take that out and see if we can fix the leak. So in order to get to it, I had to take a couple screws out, move the circuit board to the side, disconnect the two wires from the pump, and then I'm going to take the screws apart that seem to be essentially the pump casing for the air pump. So I'll take those screws out, remove the top of the pump casing, and see if I can get that stuff out of there. So I've removed all the screws that appear to be holding the top part in. There's some with these blue vibration mounts that mount the pump to the casing, and then there's this one last screw right here, and let's take that out and see if we can take it apart. Well, I removed that last screw, and voila, pump casing came right off. And then right there, look at that. Bunch of dirt and hair and stuff stuck in there. Pump has a filter on it, as you can see, but some stuff is getting through. So I'm going to go get some air and blow through there and make sure it's cleaned out. Turns out these are the solenoid valve seats right in here where that hair was stuck. So I'm going to get a Q-tip and some alcohol and clean those up really good before I put it back together. I don't have any more video, but the repair worked fine and no longer leaks.